Are you tired of struggling with stubborn fat around your hips? Do you dream of a sleeker, more contoured silhouette? You're not alone, but we've got you covered. We're diving deep into proven strategies and insider tips to help you achieve the shape you've always desired. But first, don't forget to check the description and pinned comment below for our free ebook on how to burn fat and lose weight while resting. It will show you how to lose weight faster and more efficiently, taking your weight loss to a whole new level. Now let's get into it. Get rid of it! First things first, understanding the cause of fat accumulation in your hips is crucial. Factors like genetics, hormones, and lifestyle choices all play a role. By pinpointing the root cause, you can tailor your approach for more effective results. Incorporate targeted exercises. Transforming your hip area isn't just about losing fat. It's about sculpting and toning the muscles underneath. Start with exercises like side leg raises, fire hydrants, and donkey kicks to isolate and strengthen your hip muscles. These exercises not only help in toning but also improve your hip mobility. In addition to these, include compound movements like squats, lunges, and hip thrusts. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups, including your hips, and are great for burning calories and building strength. For squats and lunges, try different variations like sumo squats or walking lunges to target your hips from different angles. Aim for a balanced workout routine that includes at least 30 minutes of targeted hip exercises 5 times a week. Consistency is crucial, so make sure to stick to your routine and gradually increase the intensity as you progress. Remember, it's not just about the quantity of the exercises, but also the quality of your movements. And don't forget to warm up before your workouts and cool down afterwards. This helps prevent injuries and ensures that your muscles recover properly. Incorporating stretching and mobility exercises can also enhance your results and keep your hips flexible. By dedicating time and effort to targeted exercises, you'll not only see a reduction in fat around your hips, but also experience improved posture and overall body strength. Embrace a balanced diet. You can't out-exercise a bad diet. Embrace a balanced diet rich in whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Studies have shown that a diet high in fiber and low in processed foods can significantly impact fat loss around the hips. If you want to dig deep into eating right for weight loss, check out the playlist that will show up on your screen right about now. It has our videos that focus on what to eat, when to eat them, and more for effective weight loss. Prioritize sleep and stress management. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep and effective stress management. Lack of sleep and high stress levels can lead to weight gain, especially around the hips. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night and incorporate stress-reducing activities like yoga or meditation into your routine. Our free ebook goes into great details to show you how both stress and sleep deprivation can make your body store fat. All you have to do to get it is just click the link in the description or pinned comment below and sign up. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for overall health and can aid in weight loss. It helps to keep you feeling full, which can prevent overeating and promote fat loss around the hips. Consider professional advice. If you're struggling to see results, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. A nutritionist or personal trainer can provide personalized guidance based on your unique needs and goals. Remember, getting rid of fat hips is a journey that requires patience, dedication, and consistency. By following these steps and staying committed, you'll be well on your way to achieving the body you've always dreamed of. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And remember to claim your free ebook on how to burn fat and lose weight while resting in the description and pinned comment below. It will help you on your weight loss journey.